Every year I promise myself I'm going to make the outside magical, but the decorations usually take so long to put up, and half the time they don't even make it through the season. This Santa changed that for me. It's huge, it's cute, it's fun, and it only takes a couple of minutes to inflate. No tools, no stress. The lights glow at night and they light up the yard, and the details on this inflatable, that's what makes this one so cute. It's one of those holiday decorations that instantly make your home feel alive, warm and cheerful, and a bit magical. Every time we turn it on, we can't help but smile. So if you're looking to bring that extra cheer to your front yard but don't want the hassles of having to hang up lights, then this is for you.